Hi folks, Jamie Kirk here again, Area Sales Manager for Willerby. I'd like to take you a little walk through our Grasmere special model. Now this comes in two sizes. The model that I'm about to show you is our 3512 2-bed, but this also comes in a 3512 3-bed. Now coming into the kitchen area, as you see, lino throughout into the hallway for easy maintenance. The bench seating configuration for the dining table is there too. Moving into the open plan here of the lounge area, and as you see, the L-shape seating, more than ample seating there for all the family. Couple of options this has on it, optional extras, is the outlook doors, which is an option. This one has a fully gal chassis. And this has the optional integrated microwave. Standard comes with freestanding fridge freezer and cooker hood extractor with gas cooker, oven and grill. TV points there for your telly, and a little TV stand there with some shelving for books, DVD player, skybox, etc. But lovely, lovely light colour scheme here, folks. So this is in our value range, which we launched this model as a special, and as I said, you know, it comes in a 2 and a 3 bed, both 35 foot long, 12 foot wide. Coming into the kitchen area, plenty of space there for all your prep. Cupboards for your storage of your pots and pans, cleaning products, cups, saucers. Moving through into the master bathroom. Comes with a heated towel rail, toilet, sink and shower. Moving into bedroom 2, first of all here, the twin room. More than ample space here, folks. Twin beds, and you've got the wardrobe facility there. This has got fitted our option of TV points and socket. Moving into the master. I mean, for a 35, folks, look at the size of this here, folks. Plenty of space. Now this is quite quirky. Coming through, instead of fixed wardrobes, it's almost like a walk-in wardrobe with rails. Quite quirky here, isn't it? But ample space here at the back, folks, for your double bedroom, and plenty of room round either side. This is fitted with gas central heating as standard. On this special model, this is not in our brochure, this is a special model, so speak to your park or your dealer. But just a recap, this is the Grasmere special model in 2 sizes. I hope you've enjoyed our tour.